Today I will present you one of my favorite cooking, which is a grilled chicken with garlic paste and a nice tomato garden salad. So I have few stuff on the table, my chicken, lemon, spices, garlic, potatoes, onions, and some common oil, rice vinegar, pepper, salt of course, a little wine that I can drink in the same time. And let's go first pick up some tomato from the garden. So let's go, follow me. How is them? You see if they're yellow, they're good, like this one are good. I think. Up. They're a bit soft. This one also looks good. Let's see here what we have. So I'm cleaning the tomato because some birds might chew on it sometimes, so better to clean from the garden. And cucumber, all spicy cucumber from the garden too. Usually for tomatoes it's good to have some such kind of knife with small teeth. I will cut the tomato. This is the color, very fresh. No chemical, just from the yard. Okay, so now I will put the salt on the tomato and you let it wait. With the salt it will sweat a little. So here's the chicken. I will clean it up a little. What we will do, we will put some lemon under the skin first. We cut the lemon in 4 pieces. Try to go under the skin. You can put a bit salt on the. Put a bit salt here. A little salt. Some spicy I will put. I will pick up a little herbs from the garden. Rosemary. Romarin étant very good. This is thin. Up. Enough. And rosemary is almost dead, my rosemary. I need to.
Up. Not so much. Up. It's really up.
Okay, enough. A bit messy. I always cut so it releases content. I will put a little in it, in the chicken. Like that. And a little in the sauce. Not much remains, but it's okay. You can put a little more according to your taste. Black pepper from Antoch, very good one. Then a little olive oil. Garlic, you can put slightly garlic in it, is good also. Then I will crush it a little. Put a little more oil. Small spoon, you mix it well. A little spicy one you can put. Piment d'Espelette. It's not spicy, but it gives a little taste. And you put this one under the skin. Up. Try to go everywhere. We'll try to put everything a little. Okay, it becomes soft a bit. Potato here that I just cleaned, I will put it around with a little chili. Okay, now we will put the chicken in the broche of the chicken. Up. This one is done, more or less. Okay, so now I will warm up the oven on 200 degrees, let's say. This one will be ready for it. We can put a little salt, a little on top. Up. I will cut an onion, it's always good. A little water would be good. It will make a nice sauce. So I will cut a few pieces of butter that I will put on the potatoes with a little salt, and it will melt and give a taste when they get ready. You can even make some hole in the potato to crunch them a little inside. Up, like that, perfect. So we'll put the chicken, it's time for the chicken to go in. Okay, stunning.
Okay.
Bangas Yausha. Now I will cook the table, I will prepare and clean the table a little for the... I will clean the mess. I think the chicken looks good. You want to check? It looks good now. So, let's bring this out. Okay, you see it's well cooked everywhere. Up. It could be cooked a bit more, but no, I think it's well cooked. Up. Up. Buon appetito!